Hello everyone, I'm Kate. Today I am honored to explain to you a tool that can recover Android phone data. It can deal with broken screen bricked Android phone iDATAPP Android data recovery. No matter your phone is Samsung, Xiaomi, Apple, Vivo, Huawei, Google, or others, our Android data recovery can help you quickly and safely. Let me show you the video steps of this powerful tool below. Step 1: you need to download and install iDATAPP Android Data Recovery from our official website. Click the Android Data Recovery option to enter the interface. Then we need to connect our Android phone with a USB data cable. After starting the software, you will be prompted to enable USB debugging so that to establish a secure connection between the Android device and the computer, please follow the steps on the interface to enable USB debugging. Step 2: after debugging, enter the data recovery state easily. Select the data you need to recover, including contacts, messages, photos, videos, call logs, WhatsApp, audio, documents, gallery. Click Next to enter the data scanning interface. Of course, we can also do a deep scan. Step 3: after the scan is completed, all the data you need to recover will be displayed. At this time, you only need to click the Recover button to recover the data. You can freely choose the path to save the recovered data and store it in your computer. It's that simple. Just now is the simple operation video steps of our iDATAPP Android data recovery, and behind me is our official website. Interested friends can find our free download button in the navigation products. That's all for today. Thank you. See you next time.